Okay, all right, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Today is on a Monday, fresh new week. We got the 23rd of March. 23rd of March. Um, Look at this. This is what we did last Friday. We never buys about this buys did happen, but the sales though. Sales? Yeah, really nice sale, right? Over here, we're saying it's aggressive sales over here, aggressive sales. So we were supposed to enter just without even looking for impersonally, yeah, basically without waiting for the candle to close. And it went all the way down to this point, then made a high and all that stuff. But safe sales will be down here. I don't know, I spelled the word safe the wrong way. But this is when I picked actually the biggest order. Put over here, stop loss just above this point, and I let it go. This was my take profit one, two, and three. And all of them were hits. See, it hit take profit. All of them was really amazing, right? So let's see what we have today. And the market still went down and down. Look at this. It's been just pushing down. We're right now at 42.76, all the way from 5,000. So let's see what we have in terms of fundamentals today. Probably have nothing much. Today's on the 23rd of March. Yes, there's nothing today for the dollar. Tomorrow we're gonna be having PMI on the Euro Germany PMI, and then the GBP. We're gonna be having the PMIs as well, the GBP. Then we're gonna be having PMI for the dollar. But then Wednesday we have the CPI on the AUD. We got what? I'm looking for only the high impact here. Unemployment claims, the dollar on Thursday, and then retail sales, the GBP. All right, nothing more than the last share of savings gonna happen right then. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove every other drawing or every other analysis, and then you're gonna start an analysis, price action, basic market structure. You're gonna start all the way from identifying the areas of support resistance. See now the monthly candle has broken the low. This is the first monthly candle to break the low of the previous month for over years, man. Look at this. From over this point, from this point, we've never had a candle break the low of the previous candle. Look at this. And this is 2022 November. All the way from 2022 November, we've never had a candle break the low of the previous month. They've been all closing high. So this is the first time we're getting from 2022 November to now. That's like 3 years ago. Yeah, 3 years something ago. That's when we're getting the first candle breaking below the previous 2 months. This is gonna be interesting. This market is gonna. I'm betting gold is gonna come down to this point, the 3400s. But let's see. Let's see. I need as well to catch the move when it goes down. Where we don't want to be left out. So still monthly high about that point. First, that's the and the point that has never been broken. This was our weekly low, but then the weekly low now is broken. So now we're gonna need to look for where the market is. What's the next place that we expect rejection? Right? Most probably at this point. It's too close to it. I know. I know. But let's see. I think I'm gonna use this one. Let me use this one. Let's use this one. The weekly low, and then we're gonna use where we are right now over here as the daily. So is it daily? No, weekly. Weekly. See the weekly low. That is where the candle is seated right now on the weekly low. Weekly highs, set points up here. Right? Go down to the D. On the daily, this has been the daily low for the longest time possible, but then now it's no longer the daily low. It's already broken, so now we're down. That's where the market is right now. So yes, I'm gonna give it room for readjustment because let's say we are down there, right? Oh, it's breaking actually. It's actually breaking that low this week. It's actually breaking the daily low. So monthly low, weekly low, daily low over here. Daily high over here. The highs don't even make sense right now. Even looking for the highs because it's way too far away. Look at this. The 4 hours high, 4 hours low, and the same point was right there, and it's been broken. The market is pushing down, my friend. I'm telling you, it's got a pressure, a lot of pressure. All right, let's do this. All right, we're here. 1 hour high, 1 hour low was here, and it's just got broken. So now, yeah, gotta keep on pushing down onto the highs on top. Yeah. Right, so we have this level, and I'm gonna mark them now with this. We got this, and we got this. Right, 15. Ooh, this we could have caught it very well on 15 minutes. See the break over here? But then the problem is this could have been a very nice impulse entry though. But now the problem is, yeah, the candle, if we say we're gonna wait for the candle to close, no, 15 minutes, this candle is closing in 1 minute. It's closing like in the next less than 1 minute. Let's see how it closes. If it pushes too much, that's a red flag for us. But then let's see. It's already closed. The candle has closed, and now the new candle is coming in. You know what? To enter this trade, not unless I want to do an impulse entry, put stop loss about this point. I would want to see this market first of all push back to this point. If it gets a candle pushing back to this point and then going down, yeah, like the way it's doing now, get it pushed back a bit, could get an entry over here. Right? You know what? I'm gonna say this. I mean, this is what I'm gonna say today. Call out. No, all right. No, no, not that one, not that one, not that one. I'm gonna pull something out today that I don't normally pull out. Yes, we're gonna say waiting for the price to I'm waiting for a retracement to this point to get sell entries. Yeah, that retracement, where retracement. Now, here's the point. We're gonna, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait for the candle to retrace this point and then get in my cells. See the way this candle is flipping? Yeah, I want it to come over here and get rejected. Yani, basically, it comes back and forms this. I want it to come back and form this a resistance level over here so that it can go down a bit. Yeah, for buys, man, buys. Let's say, for example, if we break above this point and we have a candle closing above this point, we could try to pick in a buy. But this one, gotta stay over there like this. Because already on 15 minutes and we're not moving to any other lower time frame anytime soon. And that area could also be an impulse entry area. So, but I'm telling you this, the easiest way, I will put stop loss above this candle, this huge candle that has broken. Probability of this market going down like this is very high. Sorry. Probability of this market going like that is all high. But then you could do, I don't want to discount the people that love taking impulse entry. So I'm going to give you an entry of that point. That's for the impulse entry people. Stop loss right there. Then we also get your it down. I'm not gonna take the impulse entry myself. I mean, I'm already missing it. So potential one. Impulse entry. Yeah, it's already going on over here. So it's already pushing down. Man, for buys, should we have a potential about the potential buys of this place? Long positions going out. So that's point over here. Yeah, but we're safe to say chances of the buy happening is very low. The sales though. But I would love if I had, I will draw this that tomorrow we're gonna come and check it out, yeah? I'm gonna draw this. I'm gonna draw something like where's I can use the Elliott wave. Yeah, let me use the yeah. Let's say this. I wanna see the market hit that point so that we can have a sell. And we hit over there. Do something like that. Then we continue. So it's happening with you. I see something like that. What's going yeah, something like that's gonna be. I'm gonna want to see something happening like that. Probability. We have a break. Most probably. Let's say this. Something like that. So that is what I'm gonna be looking at to see if the market it's gonna draw something like this. See exactly what we've drawn. This is what we've drawn. Say market comes down, push up, comes down, that then continue on the downside. So that's what I'm looking at. If I get this retracement, that's gonna be perfect for entry. All right. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good one. It's good. It's let's keep an eye on that. Again, remember a lot of stuff happening in the market, geopolitical tension and all that stuff. The market is majorly driven by sentiment right about now. So you're gonna want to trade what you see, not what you think, and as well as risk manage your accounts well so that you're gonna have some longer life in the market, right? All right, guys. Good luck. Have fun. Let's trade. Trade what you see, not what you think. All right. Bye bye.